Alright guys, coming to you from the Hondas. We're in the CRV. I think some of y'all thought we didn't have it anymore, but I do. Just haven't really done any videos with it in a while. But it's still doing good. It's still a good car. But I wanted to talk to you about the Roadster. So now we are doing the 8-stack. So we've got full 8-stack injection system that's going to be going on there. So I'm so thankful for Pierce Manifolds. They sent us that intake manifold, and it is awesome looking. I can't wait for y'all to see all this put together. Going to be a really cool look to it though. EMPI sent us the HBMXs, so we've got 44 HBMXs that are going to go on there, and they're going to look really cool. They sent us a couple extra stuff with it. I don't want to tell you too much about it. So, but it's going to look really good with it all together. It's just going to look perfect. So thankful to them for sending us those. They sent us a full kit, and so we're going to get the HBMX EMPI carbs mounted up, all 4 of those on this Pierce Manifolds intake. Get the linkages from Pierce. Everything's ready to go. So it's going to be pretty awesome. I've already been kind of gathering parts to get this done. So I know I've been talking to y'all about it a lot in each one of the videos. Well, it's finally happened. We're finally getting those HBMX carbs that I've been wanting forever. We're gonna get 4 of those. It's funny because I've always wanted them for a Volkswagen, and now we're getting 4 of them on this, Ford old school hot rod, which is pretty awesome. And I think that's something I told EMPI, is I thought it would be really cool to have 4 of these European motorsport carbs on a Ford hot rod. It's just kind of awesome. So we're going to be posting it up a couple different places. EMPI is now the official sponsor of Ruined VWs. So if you've been with us for a while and you don't know what that is, go on Facebook, type in Ruined VWs. Here is not allowed. So now we have over 251,000 members, which is just awesome. It's something that Greg and I never expected. We expected to get a couple thousand people. It'd be cool if we get a couple thousand really cool people. It's a group that's all about positivity. We want to have nice positive comments. We don't want to have, oh, you should have did that, or I wouldn't have did this, or just hateful comments, rude comments. It's all about sharing your love of your VW and what you want to do with it. So that's really cool that they've done this for us. Sent us these 4 HBMXs. So I'm going to post the videos up on there because a lot of you guys have IDFs and these HBMXs on your Volkswagens and setting them up and everything. But this is kind of cool. So we got 4 of them on this thing. So it's going to be really cool. It's going to be really nice for the car. And we've already started working on it some, so I can't wait to show you what those videos are going to like. So we've got a whole series of videos of kind of each step that we're doing along the way to run these EMPI carbs and the Pierce Manifolds manifold on there, the intake manifold. So getting all that bolted up, but I wanted to let you know beforehand about EMPI and Pierce sponsoring the channel and sponsoring us with these parts that they sent us in the Facebook page and all that stuff. So really cool, but got some neat stuff coming up, so stay tuned.